Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak tartare. First, always choose the highest quality, freshest beef available, ideally from a reputable butcher. You'll want a lean cut like tenderloin or sirloin. Ensure your work surfaces and tools are impeccably clean to maintain food safety. This classic dish relies on fresh ingredients and precise preparation for its exquisite taste and texture. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. For the best steak tartare, ingredient quality is paramount. Opt for a very fresh, lean cut of beef, such as tenderloin or sirloin, ensuring it's cold. You'll also need finely minced shallots, capers, and cornichons for their tangy crunch. Dijon mustard, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and a fresh egg yolk are crucial binders and flavor enhancers. Keep all your components well chilled until you are ready to combine them. Now for the dicing. Cut the chilled beef into very small, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch cubes. This ensures a pleasant texture. Next, finely mince your shallots, capers, and cornichons. In a chilled bowl, gently combine the diced beef with the minced aromatics, Dijon mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, then carefully fold in a fresh egg yolk. To plate your steak tartare, use a ring mold or simply form it into a neat mound on a chilled plate. Garnish with fresh herbs like finely chopped parsley or chives, or for an extra touch of elegance, place a fresh quail egg yolk on top. Serve your tartare immediately with toasted baguette slices, crispy crackers, or even some potato chips. This ensures the best flavor and texture for this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.